Boom, boom, and boom. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the second episode of Market Mondays, where we will be discussing cryptocurrency trends, cryptocurrency news, what's been going on around the world, everything from A to Z. We get your thoughts and opinions. So if you guys like what you've been seeing so far, please be sure to hit the button below, like this video, subscribe to the channel, show support. We have a lot of good news to talk about today. Some stuff with Bitcoin and its price going up, other things with Ethereum and their release of Ethereum 2.0, and also just some good news that they have with Bitcoin. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. Moving into the top 100 coins by market capitalization, we can see Bitcoin with a 8.3% gain over the past 7 days, Ethereum with a 10.1% gain over the past 7 days. If we pull up the 24-hour chart for top gainers, we can see Ocean Protocol 13.2%, Kusama 13.1%, Nexus Mutual 10%, Monero 9.6%. There's quite a bit of altcoins that are pumping quite significant versus Bitcoin. Pulling up Bitcoin's 24-hour chart, we can see quite a pump here, going from pretty much 11,300, getting all the way up there to 11,500, which is good to see. Over the past 7 days, we've also seen a upward bullish trend, pumping itself all the way up to 11,569. They explain to us a little bit more right here on this article from CoinDesk. BTC, the top cryptocurrency by market value, clocked a high of 11,524, the highest level since September 2nd, and was trading at 11,480 at press time, gaining 0.95% over the past 24 hours according to CoinDesk's Bitcoin Price Index. They go ahead and let us know more here. Meanwhile, Ethereum at the same time was traded around $383.42 at press time, up 2.17% in the past 24 hours. Looking down here in this article, they also tell us that Bitcoin has gained 59% this year, while Ether has rallied by nearly 200%. Both cryptocurrencies added more than 6% last week following payments company Square disclosure of 50 million BTC investment. So if you guys are familiar with the Square Cash app, they recently put out an article stating that they were purchasing 50 billion of BTC as a investment. Looking at this article here, Bitcoin's newly found bullish momentum has traders targeting 12,000 and above. Going a little bit more down, Bitcoin has a price of acting inside a narrow range for the last few weeks, but the momentum and trend has shifted as a bullish breakout occurred on the announcement that Square has allocated 1% of its cash reserves to BTC. Despite the strong upside move, traders are still cautious as they are unsure whether the bullish momentum is back or if this is just a temporary blimp. Moving it on to a update from BitMEX. For those of you that may not know what was going on with BitMEX, they were initially charged and operating as an unregistered trading platform illegally in the United States. There has been some updated news as to what's been going on with that case. On this article here from Cointelegraph, BitMEX operator hires chief compliance officer amid U.S. criminal charges. They give us a little history saying the hire comes from BitMEX's founder were charged with failing to prevent money laundering and operating an unregistered trading platform illegally in the United States. The operator of the crypto derivatives exchange BitMEX 100X Group has hired a seasoned anti-money laundering specialist, Malcolm Wright, as its chief compliance officer. So we'll see what kind of actions he puts into place, how this is going to affect the market. But nonetheless, we'll keep you updated on this channel. Let me know what you guys think about this. Let me know what other cryptocurrency exchanges you are using, and we will take a deeper dive into those. Giving us an update on the Ethereum 2.0 launch rehearsal. There was news going back and forth saying that there is a possibility it's not going to come out and it won't be ready until next year just due to the amount of low participants and active bugs that were in the testnet. But here we see some breaking news letting us know that their ETH 2.0 launch rehearsal is back on track. Ethereum successfully launched yet another dress rehearsal testnet for the upcoming ETH 2 phase. The launch occurred on Monday and unlike previous attempts was smooth with enough participation and no major bugs. They let us know right here, maintaining a high participation rate is crucial for the integrity of the network as more than 66% of the stake must confirm blocks in order for the blockchain to be considered finalized, meaning the blocks can no longer be reversed. Moving on to this other really cool chart that I thought I'd share with everyone. This chart here shows us the Bitcoin treasuries in publicly traded companies. It'll show us this company names on the side. We see MicroStrategy, their market cap on the NASDAQ, and their percentage of Bitcoin. Look at them at a whopping 27%. Looks like they own over 38,000 BTC as of today. We also see Square Cash App app with $50 million Bitcoin investment white paper as to reasons why they did it. I encourage you guys to check this out and keep track of this from time to time. It's going to be interesting to see the companies that start coming and getting added on here and just increasing this total supply of BTC's own. But with publicly traded companies comes taxation, correct? And so right here, the OECD, which is the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, said Monday that it plans to pitch leaders of the world's largest economies on a framework for cryptocurrency tax reporting in 2021. The guidelines will offer tax authorities guardrails for clarifying their local treatment of cryptocurrencies while also accounting for international exchanges. They also go into it saying here the OECD first called for an international agreement on cryptocurrency taxation in 2018. Since 2018, they have not been able to come up with a new taxation strategy. It's going to be really interesting, and we'll see how this breaks down. Nonetheless, we'll keep you updated on this channel. So some other really cool news that I thought I'd share with everybody is this crypto cruise ship Satoshi to make Panama Bay home. Here, the crypto cruise ship called Satoshi is gearing up to set sail from the Mediterranean to Panama, where it will drop an anchor, as they call it, home. The ship has 777 cabins that will be auctioned off as condos. They're letting us know a little bit more details about this. The crypto cruise ship Satoshi is 811 feet long. The publication added that the first sale will be 200 cabins, tentatively priced between $25,000 and $50,000. So let me know what you guys would do. Would you buy or rent a cabin on the crypto cruise ship Satoshi? Alright guys, cool. So that's about all I have for you today. I hope you were able to find some value in this. I hope you were able to learn something new. Please be sure to hit the button below, like this video, subscribe to the channel, show support, comment your questions down below. I'll be doing reviews, I'll be doing demos, I'll be doing live price analysis in the near future. Stay tuned, and until next time, we'll see you. Bye.